Hey, it's finally here. I pre-ordered this guy back in August and he was supposed to come in October, but it's April now? Yeah, April. So finally here. I also ordered this guy in April. I think he's awesome. He's probably my favorite figure, but I haven't opened him yet because there's other stuff I want to show you when I open him up, and that stuff, I think it's ready now. Maybe this guy will be next, and after that I'll have this place clean enough that I can do some customs. So let's, without further ado, get to this. So I have my trusty tools, my knife, it's a box cutter. Alright, step one, done. Step 2, dope. I love these comic backgrounds. Oh, you can look at dope artwork on the box here, quick. The basic Mirage Comics box style. And pictures of the figure on the back, plus his brothers. I didn't get the brothers because it's expensive, and also because I was pre-ordering, and like if I spent 250 bucks and then it was supposed to come in October and it comes in April, I wouldn't be very happy. So that's why I just got Raph, and I think he'll go well with that Mikey, but they're different colors. Now these are, I think, called like sewing snips. I'll see if I can find some links to put in the description for this stuff. They're the tools of the trade. They're great because they're skinny and they have a lot of strength and they're sharp. You can get in there, cut it without cutting the figure, and then it doesn't work when I say it's good. There we go. This is Raph. Plus these extra accessories in the back here. That hood. Look at the detail. Great paint. I know these guys came out a while back, but it's harder for me to get them where I live. Alright, we got everything here now, ready to go. Awesome background. I brought out some other Raphs I have from the comic books to compare them to. This one, it's a knockoff of NECA, but I painted it to try and make it look like a real NECA. Yeah, that's what I did, but okay. He is so sick. There you go, he's standing up straight, or pretty straight. That's better. Comes with this awesome Casey Jones mask. I have a Casey Jones from this era. I still haven't unboxed him yet because there's other stuff I want to do when I unbox that one too. I have lots of videos coming up, but yeah, that's sick. I love having extra little decorations like this. I can put in the layers that I build and stuff. Comes with some extra hands. Extra arms, one extra arm. It's a bandaged arm. Was there another one? I don't know, everything kind of exploded out of there. I think there's only one arm. This is some sort of portal gun or something. Looks like he stole it from the Triceratons, or maybe the foot soldiers or someone. The detail on these sides, the paint is awesome. It's like a greenish silver and then some white dusted over top to make it look like comic book art style. But yeah, that's awesome. I really like these. And again, the detail and paint on this is great. I can't wait to put it on him. You probably already seen a review of this guy because he came out a year ago, but I just finally got him, so I had to show him, and I haven't had a video for the last couple weeks. But let's try out this other arm. So he only has 2 extra hands. These are like holding something hand and then a open faced hand. So he can have the bandana going around his shoulder or going straight down his back. You might need this when you put on this one, or you just have none. And he only comes with 1 head, which is a bit of a disappointment, I guess, but I'm sure I knew that before I bought it, probably. Yeah, this doesn't want to come out, this bandana back. Oh, got it. It's tough to get it into. Well, before I do that, let's take off this arm. Oh, that came out easy. So easy. Could have done it on camera, but just in case, I pull it close to me so I don't knock anything over. Let's see how easy it goes in. Easy. Awesome. And it's tight. That looks sick. And now the hood. Well, first let's look at the detail on the shell. That's dope. This one, I just made it a darker green because that matched the drawings better of the original sketch, but it's only one of the original sketches because there have been a bunch of different original sketch turtles. I have a few of them. And his shell, I went with the colors of the comic. It's like a dark blue and black. So this one, it's also from the Mirage comics, just like that one, but these are from, I think Lawson was drawing them, so they call these the Lawson turtles. But these are awesome. Look at the size and the bulk. But now, can I get it back to bend how he was standing up? That's tough. Okay, does he have a place? Well, I guess you could put it in the side here for his size. Yes, put the size in the side. That works. Doesn't really restrict the arm. That's dope. The hardest part of playing with action figures is getting them to stand up straight. The ankles are really tight. There you go. Got it. Finally. Thanks a lot for sticking with me. Oh, I was trying to do this and the bandana back fell off. Or I didn't put it on yet because I was going to put the arm first. Alright, we're getting nowhere fast. I'm going to cut this part out. It's in, but it's not in all the way. We're tight. Alright, there we go. You gotta twist it to get it just the right spot. That looks dope. I like the one that goes around, but this one I think is better with this. Alright, that's a great hood, but how's he gonna see? I think maybe without any bandana back, that would fit on better, but you won't see it sticking out. And this is harder to get on and off than the arm was. Alright. Now let's see. I think it'll work this time. Yeah, that's much better. Still, kinda off center. Maybe it's supposed to hide his eye a little bit. You know what? As awesome as this hood is, I think I like him better without it. What do you think? If it was a little longer, or at least longer in the back, it just looks like, why would you be wearing just this and nothing else? And like, do you have a rash, or you just shaved your head for the first time and you're a little bit embarrassed, and just wear a hat and your shoulders are cold but nothing else? Well, they do say you lose most heat from your head, and then your shoulders, and then your knees, and then your toes. With this, he looks kind of like Frankenstein. He's awesome, but I don't know, if you asked me, I'd say put on pants before you put on a hood that is just a hood, or wear a jacket or a hat. Alright, so that's Lost in Raph from the Mirage Comics TMNT by NECA. He's super awesome. I hope one day I can get the rest of the turtles. Next, I guess I'll be doing the Mikey, and then, I don't know, maybe Casey. We'll see, or a custom. Yeah, I'll do a custom after I open the Mikey and show you all the other stuff I've been doing behind the scenes. So thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.